Welcome back everyone in my new video. On this video, we are going to learn and pronounce most difficult English words. Those English words are most difficult to pronounce most of the people. So, keep watching the video and learn how to pronounce those words. At first, we learn how to pronounce. And secondly, we learn meaning of this word, so that we can understand every word properly. The correct pronunciation of this word is xylophone. Xylophone.
It's a musical instrument consisting of a series of wooden bars struck with mallets.
The correct pronunciation of this word is schadenfreude. Schadenfreude. Schadenfreude.
It means pleasure derived from someone else's misfortune.
The correct pronunciation of this word is Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
It's a type of sauce typically used in cooking, originating from Worcester, England.
The pronunciation of this word is sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer.
It's an instrument for measuring blood pressure.
The correct pronunciation of this word: pseudopseudohypopori. Pseudopseudohypopori. The correct pronunciation of this word is anemone. Anemone. Anemone.
It's a brightly colored sea creature resembling a flower.
The correct pronunciation of this word is quinoa. Quinoa. Quinoa.
It means a grain-like crop ground for its edible seeds.
The correct pronunciation of this word is ecclesiastical. Ecclesiastical. Ecclesiastical.
It's relating to the Christian church or its clergy.
The correct pronunciation of this word is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship.
The activity of setting up a business or businesses, taking on financial risk in the hope of profit.
The correct pronunciation of this word is cacophony. Cacophony. Cacophony.
A harsh, discordant mixture of sounds.
The correct pronunciation of this word is eschatology. Eschatology. Eschatology.
The part of theology concerned with death, judgment, and the final destiny of the soul and of humankind.
The correct pronunciation of this word is guacamole. Guacamole. Guacamole.
A Mexican dip made from mashed avocado and various seasonings.
The correct pronunciation of this word is isthmus. Isthmus. Isthmus.
A narrow strip of land with sea on either side, forming a link between two larger areas of land.
The correct pronunciation of this word is Thalassian.
A blue or green synthetic pigment used in inks and dyes.
The correct pronunciation of this word is hyperbole. Hyperbole. Hyperbole.
Exaggerated statements or claims not meant to be taken literally.
This video end here. If this type of video is really helpful for you, write your opinion in comment box. And do subscribe for more interesting video.